Okay. What's popping over here? What's going on?
Okay, now we just cut up all our sofrito. Remember, it's 4 packs of cilantro, 2 packs of recao, 2 red peppers, 3 green peppers, 3 onions, well, 4 onions. Well, they were small baby ones.
All right.
And this is considered like, I would say, 4 whole cloves of garlic.
Okay, so let's see.
Okay. And we got our blender. And we have our containers that we're gonna put them in.
One of them's gonna go to one of our friends.
This here is gonna make like 4 of these containers, which I have.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay.
Okay.
So let's start.
Here we go.
We're gonna take some cilantro.
Sure.
We're gonna take some recao. Red peppers. Put as much as you want. Doesn't matter because everything's all gonna be mixed in. But you want to put some of everything.
Yeah, we'll blend it in a little.
Okay.
Just by touch and sight.
Okay. I'm gonna keep putting in. Oh, the cilantro.
That shit gonna be real now.
Okay. Normally some people, they put water in it. I don't like to put water because it just ends up being watery. But I try to chop it and liquid it. Okay. This is so we could
push down on it. Yeah.
Okay. We're going with for that. Okay. So this is done in your NutriBullet. So this is gonna do it really, really fast for us.
For sure.
Okay, so
keep putting that in there.
Keep putting it in. Keep putting in. Okay. Keep putting it in as much as we want.
I mean, we already got it down pat. We know what goes in there, so yeah. we'll leave a little description on the video, so y'all can see it too. And we're gonna sell these at the house.
Yes, these are gonna go for sale.
They're gonna be going for sale. Get your order in, boy. It's gonna be serious.
One like this is gonna be $10.
Oh damn!
And the half container is gonna be $5.
There you go. Half 5.
So
whole 10.
Whole container
for $10.
Which is actually 24 ounces.
24.
It's going to be probably 26 ounces because 24 is right here, and that's going to be another ounce filled to the top. So it's going to be 26 ounces. That's pretty much. That's a lot. This could last you.
Yeah.
It depends how much you use it.
Yeah.
So here we go. Oops. Okay. Yeah, well then it's not locked, sorry. Now it's locked. Look how fast that is. Woo! Sorry, sir. I'm just gonna keep adding. The NutriBullet is no joke.
Yeah, man. Shout out to NutriBullet, man.
NutriBullet.
Shout out.
Yes.
So you're pretty much gonna get a little container like that with the garlics in it.
Oh, the little container, yes.
Yeah.
A little container like this is gonna be
That's gonna do the whole thing.
$5.
Yeah, that's gonna do the whole thing for you. For what you're doing.
Oh, you're talking about in garlic? Yes, that this here should be like 3 whole garlics. All depends how much garlic. I like a lot of garlic, so.
You gotta have garlic in there. Smells amazing.
Okay, it's done.
Look at that. What y'all know about that? Nothing. Y'all will though after this. Alright, so let's see what these containers working with. We're hooking up one of our peoples or whatever with one, right? They just got a new spot. Congratulations. We're gonna hook you up with some of this real Boricua Sofrito here, baby. Look at that. Shit. Those small containers you get in Publix be costing almost $10 for a skinny one. You're getting a whole fat boy right here for 10. Shit, you ain't gonna get this shit nowhere. You ain't gonna get this nowhere for no $10. It's crazy.
And it's blended really good. I
that.
like it in chops too. Today I felt like blending it.
And it's all natural.
Like all the way blending.
Whatever's chopped in there is the actual vegetables, everything that was put in there. That was put in there. So there was no...
Okay, with this batch we're gonna get 3. We're gonna get 3 containers, which... Here we go, Al. This one gave me 2.5.
There you go, that's a $5 one right there. $5 one right there.
Let's see all this sofrito in here. Can't let it go to waste because this is...
So we gotta put them in jars. Remember how we used to get them other jars? How we did the coquitos in the jars? We need to get the jars for it. Put them in the jars.
I like it in here. Plastic.
Plastic better?
That's fine, yeah.
Alright.
Well, yeah, this whole thing will give me 2.5.
And that's good right there. Look at that.
I had said 4, but I was thinking the other way because we have a bigger blender. But, where's the container? Oh, sorry. So, yeah, this is like half of this one.
There you go.
So, yeah, we made 2.
2 full ones right there. 2.5.
No less than 15 minutes.
That's it.
That's cutting everything.
Cutting it up, chopping it up, putting it together.
So,
we done with this? So we done with this?
Subscribe below.
Subscribe, like.
Subscribe, like. Let us know if you want.
And tell us what else you want us to do. Anything Boricua shit, let us know. We could do it.
Anything you feel we should add in. I don't usually add in anything else because this is my recipe.
Yeah.
But if you would like it any other way,
let us know.
Yours, I will be more than happy to do it the way you like it.
Yeah, it is.
So thank you for tuning in.
That's a champ.
Again, like, subscribe, and hit us up. Have a nice night.
100.